Hello everyone. I don't know how you find this video or what you are going through, but if your life feels messy, confusing, or just too heavy, you can just sit with me for a few minutes. I am not here to give you any perfect advice. To be honest, I am just here to talk. The kind of talk I wish someone had with me when I was struggling silently. For the longest period of time, I kept telling myself that my life is falling apart, everything is so confusing, I am behind everyone. But I later realized that it's nothing like that. Life really doesn't fall apart, it just stops for a while, or you can say it takes a pause. Okay, and that pause means that your system is telling you that let's take a breath, something is not right. Okay, and that pause feels like a failure, but it's not like that, to be honest. Now let's talk about the moment I realized that things needed to change. To be honest, for me it was nothing like a big dramatic breakdown. It was just me sitting in my bed scrolling through my phone and feeling nothing, and I just caught myself thinking that I don't even recognize my own life anymore. Yes, and it was not even sadness, it was literally disconnection. I just felt disconnected with everyone, everything around me. Okay, and feeling disconnected from this world is worse than the sadness. And then I realized one thing that I have never heard in any motivational video, and that is that your life feels stuck not because you are lazy, but because you are tired of carrying the things that are not even yours. Expectations, pressure, fear of disappointing others, fear of getting judged by the people, even when you are just trying to figure out your own life. You can never build anything for yourself. You can never rebuild your life when you are busy performing for others. Stop performing for others and you will see the change. I am telling you this with my own experience, that stop performing for other people and you will see the way your life will start changing. Everyone talks about routines, waking up at 5 a.m., journaling, but here is an advice that no one gives you. Rebuilding your life starts with removing that one thing which drains your soul. Not 10 things, not your whole personality, just one thing. For some people, it's wrong friend circle. For some people it's social media. For some people it's pretending to be okay. For some people it's fear of getting judged, comparing themselves with others. For me it was saying yes to everything and everyone. Once I stopped doing that, I finally had energy for myself. Now let me share the little things I did that started changing everything. I stopped myself from explaining myself to people who were not even listening, and that increased my peace instantly. I started forgiving myself for slow days, because not every day needs to be productive. Some days you'll have your 60% energy, some days you'll have your 100% energy, and that is totally fine. Third thing I did was I started completing one thing at a time instead of trying to complete 10 things at once, because completion gives you confidence. Fourth thing I did was I stopped myself to be strong. Yes, it's okay to have breakdowns once in a while. It's also a part of your rebuilding yourself. Okay, last thing I did was I allowed myself to outgrow people and habit without any guilt, because some phases end so that you can enter the new phase. And here is something I want you to always remember, that you don't need an aesthetic routine to look like you are doing well. The real rebuilding is it looks messy, silent, unseen, but it is real and you'll feel it. So if you're still watching this video and you feel like you are failing in life, you are scared for your future, you feel like you are disappointing people, just take a long breath. You are not behind, you are not failing, you are just rewriting your life. And rewriting takes time, yaar. Rewriting takes time. So start with one thing today, not a routine, not a whole plan, just one simple thing. And always remember one thing, you don't rebuild yourself by being perfect, you rebuild yourself by refusing to give up on yourself again and again and again. If no one told you today, I am proud of you, I am rooting for you, and I know you will come out of this phase stronger than ever. Okay, so thank you so much for sitting with me for a few minutes and take care of yourself.